Welcome to qnawire.
Here, this is 6.29, question is 6.29. This is the 30A. This. So, here, these three diagrams are given in the question textbook itself. So, here, let's solve for this. So, this is 31A. This is This is 31A. This is 32A. And this one is 33A. So, for the first one, here there is a roller support in point O. So because of the roller support, there will be one reaction. So let's take red. So because of this type of support, that is roller support, there will be a vertical reaction like this. Let's call it as ROY. This is ROY, yeah. And here there is a pin support. So because of this type of support, there will be two reactions, one vertical reaction and as well as one horizontal reaction. Let's call the vertical reaction as RAY and the horizontal one as RAS. Now for the first figure, there is a force P and there is a force Q here. So P is acting in F and Q is acting at L. So this cannot be. Yeah. So first, to determine whether the trusses are simple truss or not, we need to examine the truss construction as follows. Like for this truss, let's take yeah. This shown truss is not a simple truss. This is actually not a simple truss. The reason is because if we add two members two members and go further to any triangle and go further to any triangle. The thing is actually we should able to construct the truss, but here the truss cannot be constructed. So because of this reason, this is not a simple truss. Now let's move to the next truss. So here, let's take that. Yeah, here there is one support here. So because of this support, there will be two reactions, one vertical as well as a horizontal reaction. Let's name the vertical reaction as RLY and the horizontal one as RLX. And here there is a roller support. So because of this type of support, there will be one reaction that is vertical. So let's call this reaction as RHY. Now we drawn the reactions and there is only one force P here. So that itself denotes that. Yeah. Now let's move to. So in this one, let's take yeah. So here also actually this shown truss is not a simple truss. The reason is just like the above reason, like if we add two members and go further to any triangle. Actually, if this is a simple truss, if we add two members and go further to any triangle, we should able to construct a construct this truss. So, but here in this case, we cannot do that. So, if we add two members and go further to any triangle, the truss cannot be constructed. The truss cannot be constructed. So, because of this reason, this is not a simple truss. Now let's move to the next one, the last truss. So in this truss, there is a roller support in point J. Because of this support, this type of support, there will be one reaction JY, and there is a pin support in point F. So because of this type of support, there will be one vertical, let's call it as RFY, as well as one horizontal, let's call it as RFX reactions. So here there is two forces and both the forces are equal. Yeah, both the forces are equal. So one is acting in H and one is acting in I. Now let's see this one. This is actually a, so the shown truss actually a simple truss, because just like if we add two members and go further, the truss can be constructed. Can be constructed. So this is not like the other two trusses. So if we add two members, like say f of AF and FGF, like just like that, if we add two and go further to the other triangle, go further to any other triangles, like that we can construct the whole truss. So because of that, so this is a simple truss. So you can see all these are connected, so that means this is a simple truss. So this plus this gives you this one. So like that we can go further. So here there is a connection, like that everything is a, there is a connection. So adding two members and going on further to the next triangle, like that we can construct the whole truss. If we can construct a whole truss by adding two members and going further to the other triangle, then that is a simple truss. So this one is a simple truss, but this one and this one is not a simple truss. So I hope you understood the problem. Thank you.